Okay, thank you. My name is Maurizio Giacchi from CMC. I know it's 6 p.m. for me as well, but it's nice to see such a nice audience here. Today we will talk about, the title is Pack It Right, and guess what we are talking about? We are talking about optimizing packaging, optimized packaging. I see a box here. There is a name, Nashat Hassan. It's you? Why did you deliver this on stage?
By mistake.
Now, by mistake. Yeah. Now you have to open it. You have to show us what's... very difficult to open, huh? Let me see. What's that?
It's
lot of
white fill, but a small product.
What is that?
Just a pack of sugar.
Well, sugar.
Yeah.
All this stuff for sugar. Air. Empty air. Okay. Look, I got the same, but look, a nice parcel. So. Thank you, Nasha. Now, it was just to introduce the topic of the day. Pack It Right means optimizing the packaging procedure. It can be even worse. Look at this. A lot of filling material, plastic, a lot of air. It's good to be back in Dubai, the city of the biggest. We have the biggest building in the world, the biggest mall, the biggest frame, what else? The biggest ski slope, indoor. So bigger means better in Dubai. But when it comes to packing, this logic doesn't really apply. And so even luxury goods are shipped in such a way, big boxes with a lot of empty space. This is what I call the luxury paradox. So something that can fit in your hand, but delivered in a parcel that could fit furniture, I don't know, a big coffee machine or something like this. These are real numbers. The e-commerce giant calculations made this calculation, sorry. In average, 40% of each box is empty space, is air. And when talking about luxury, so this is very expensive air. It's, and air is not a luxury product, but we are shipping this in the country. So this is an important topic. Also, multi-line orders are shipped in different parcels, which means more space in the track. Optimizing the packaging means optimizing shipment, using less material, get rid of using filling material and things like that. Okay, consider that 84 million packaging waste are generated every year. These numbers are only Europe related. And most of these things are packaging and are cardboard and paper. And, but you can see it also here. I noticed it now. And this is all recyclable material, but the best sustainable way to handle it is not generating this at all, considering that 7 million tons a year, so 20% of the total, is only e-commerce related. So you can generate a mountain that grows bigger than the Burj Al Khalifa. And in e-commerce, parcel volume are growing every year. Customers are more and more demanding. Consider that 710 parcels every second are generated. This is a bit outdated slide related to US 2024, but this trend keeps growing and growing, and making it more efficient and sustainable is, of course, the best way practice because, you avoid a lot of waste, a lot of... So why right-sized packaging? There are many points if you can optimize the packaging. First of all, cost and margins. If you optimize the packaging, of course, you have better space utilization in tracks, less material cost. You don't use void filling materials. And in the end, every little margin that you can save generates a big margin. And what else? You can grow, you can increase the throughput without increasing headcount, because there are solutions which we will talk about. Automated packaging solution. There is a technology that allows you to get these results in a fully automatic and dynamic way. Then what else? Regulations. There are a lot of regulations, like in Europe we have PPWR. Here in the Middle East there are other rules, CSR. Okay, but it can vary from country to country, but the main important thing is to have it ready, so future-proof. It's not about being green, it's about being future-proof. And most important and relevant thing is the customer experience, because getting something like Nashat was showing us shows lack of attention, not really the best way practice. Getting something really optimized shows care, and the customer are linking this experience to the brand. So there are plenty of videos about the packaging, about the unboxing experience. Okay, here we have a slide about us, about CMC. It's not a boring corporate slide. It shows the engineering blood of CMC. If you consider we have 40 people in the research and development that are obsessed with one question: how can I pack it better? How can I pack it right? We are headquartered in Italy, but we have subsidiaries everywhere in Europe, in the main, most important countries, and in the US, but we have presence everywhere. Here in the Middle East, for example, we are working closely with Altica. And the thing is that right-sized packaging technology is not a one-time decision. It's, it's engagement, because we need to be present. We have a large number of installation of this right-sized packaging technology, and this means it's not laboratory, it's real life. It's volumes shipped every day, so customers relying on this technology. Okay, let's talk shortly about the approach. So traditional approach is manual, still very much used, but it doesn't allow you to optimize the size distribution, because it's related to operators, and don't take care too much about which size. They put filling materials, and it's very labor intensive. There is a second option, which is sort of in between, which is the height reduction, just optimizing the height, but not the length and the width. It's better, but still you have some of this nice desert air in the box. Our approach is box last. What does it mean? It's a fully automatic solution that is able to change size for each and every order, as you can see on the picture. So we feed the order to the machine, and we measure the size, and we get for every single order, can be multiple, can be single, a tailor-made box from this size up to a very big, very large size. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have a slide. It's not only a timeline. This shows the engagement of CMC when talking about right-size packaging. CMC is a much older company. We come from the packaging, primary packaging. We still have also a large installation base in mailing and graphic process, but the real milestone for us was 2013, where the first automatic packaging solution was brought to life. We were pioneers in that. The name of the system is carton wrap, which suggests wrapping around the product. Then we had a large development year by year. We developed a new solution because, I mean, there is a differentiation. We work with many verticals, electronic, cosmetic. Today we spoke with many people, fashion. And year by year, we developed a new solution, new technology, new options, new engagement, new partnership, and this story keeps going. So why right-sized packaging solution? So first of all, it allows you to reach high throughput, high performances, from 850 boxes an hour to 1,000 boxes an hour, fully dynamic. The machine doesn't care if it's single SKU, multi-SKU, less touch point, no filling material, no fillers, things like that, less use of cardboard. No use of tape. This is also an important topic we discussed yesterday in a shot, no? Because especially here in the Middle East, e-commerce is growing very fast. If you close a box manually, you use a tape. And here, by such temperature, especially during summer period, it's not really tamper-proof because it will be easy to open and to get stuff. Our approach is we use hot melt glue. We create the box around the article, and this is really tamper-proof, a tamper-proof solution. I guess there is a video that should start immediately, and you can see some of our solution, starting from carton wrap to other solution for multiple articles, and including bagging. Okay, here we had a selection of solutions. We have today the widest product portfolio for e-commerce, e-fulfillment in the market, and there are really tailor-made and adapted solutions to that. We are going towards the end. Okay, this is a reference slide. You may recognize some of the names. As I said before, these are not laboratory or exercises or testing. These are real customers that trusted in this technology to optimize their process. And here it's working day, night, shift, peak season, off-peak, whatever. And they trusted in this kind of technology, not because they wanted to do some kind of experiments, but because because it's a technology that is proof and it works. Okay, this was my presentation. Thank you.